this video we're going to discuss combining multiple survey datasets in a single train file. So starting out, I have a LiDAR tile, so it's in DEM format. We can see my gridded data in the background. Now the display property is turned off. I'm just going to click to the side. First, if I come in here and if I click open, and if I open the file that I'd like to add in there, that's not what I want to do in this case. That's going to start an entirely new train file, and I won't be adding anything to this existing file. So if I come into here and if I click Insert File, and if I grab the file I'd like to insert, that's going to add it in, not replacing any of the existing data that's in my file. So we'll do that here. And in this case, my LAS files are unclassified. Just turn that on. And I've got my point cloud brought in. Click our 3D view. And here I can see it's not perfectly lining up with what I have underneath there. And it's going to be more apparent when I remodel my surface. I'm going to just leave my existing contours in place. Turn that off so we can see what's happening. And I can see that I've got a series of cones going down to connect the two data sets. So in this case, I didn't really want to just insert that file in to augment my data that's already there. I want a cookie cutter operation to cut out what's already in that location and place in this new data set. So for that I'm going to use our merge function. And for that, I'm going to open up a new instance of train. I'm going to bring in that second data set I wanted to add in. So I brought it in. I'm going to model this as its own entity. I'm not going to worry about contours in this case. So there we can see what we're dealing with. I'm going to save this as its own file, and then I'm going to use a new file here which I haven't made a mess of already. I'm going to go to Train Modeling, Merge Train, select that own train file that I want to have the cookie cutter operation take place, and I'll hit OK. So there, that's in there. I'm going to have to remodel this so when it does that cookie cutter operation it breaks the existing tin. Now, if we come back in here, we can see that's lining up much better.